Hey guys, welcome back to Farm Fam Custom Woodworking. I'm Matt. Today I was using my circular saw. I have a Porter Cable one. I've had it forever. I've had it probably 25 years. I was making a cut on the end of the board where you guys are at, right there, and I got about halfway through and the saw died on me. So I ended up running down to the store, picked up a new saw. They had this. I wanted another corded one. I have a couple cordless ones already, but I like the corded one just for the consistency of the power and not having to run out and change batteries. So I went down and got this Makita, and so open it or unbox it for you and take a look at it and make a saw cut with it and see what we think. This is the Makita 5007 MG. It's the magnesium. It's supposed to be a little bit lighter. A lot of places I looked rank this to be the best saw, circular saw for the year 2024. So we'll take a look at it, we'll run it and see. I picked it up, it was $199. It's on sale. It's on sale right now. I'll put a link down below. I'll try to get a link in there so we can take a look at it, but it's got a hard case. Got your owner's manual up the top. That's all that's up in here, nothing else. You can put circular saw blades in here. Have your saw. They come with just a normal framing blade in there, 24 tooth. Got the rail on the side for you. A little bit of packing. Look at that one in there. Just snaps right in the bottom. Pretty nice case. Of course. This is opposite than what I'm used to. I bought this, like I said, forever ago. So it has the Allen key right here on the back. Change the blade. Little push button on the front right here to lock her down. Looks like this piece fell off. We'll have to see when we get it back on here. That's not encouraging. Allen key is right here in the back. And this runs, you know, you just turn it in there. Hold the lock down. The blade lock right here in front. It's got your degree sets on here. I'll go ahead and angle her off. Go all the way up to 56 degrees, it looks like. That's pretty nice. One back on the back is for your depth. Flip this up. It's all integrated. Has numbers down here in the back side of it. Go all the way. That's a 1/2 inch. And take it down to 1/2 inch. Now 3/4, 1, 1 1/4, 1 1/2, 1 and 3, 2, 2 1/2 inches. Seems pretty sturdy. Feels pretty good in the hand. It's got a nice rubber in here. Softened for a softer grip. Seems pretty well built. Let's go ahead and make a rip with it. Like I said, I had already started one, and my Porter Cable died on me about 2/3 of the way through the board. So we're gonna see if we can match it up coming the other way. See if we can get this to come off right. And like most circular saws, it's a 1 1/2 inches from the blade to the edge of the guard, so it's going to match up pretty close. Let's see, we'll adjust the height of it. Right down to about a 1/2 inch because I'm cutting 7/16 OSB. Alright, let's see how she goes. First cut. Matched up pretty good. 24 tooths is what you expect for rip out on it. Looks pretty good, so happy so far. Alright guys, so that's the quick unboxing and quick run over the initial setup and run of the first saw. This is Makita 5007 MG. It's a 15 amp 120 volt circular saw, corded. It runs pretty nice. First cut was pretty good, so we'll keep it up and I'll come back and do a review on this a little bit later. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like what you saw, go ahead and please subscribe. I appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.